Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about cow. Cow is the most widely domesticated animal all over the world for milk. Cow is a highly useful animal for humans. It is very common in Indian households to find milk and milk products. Cows, through milk and other byproducts, sustain billions of families throughout the world. Many rural families in India, China, and Africa depend solely on milk and milk products for their daily needs. The natural life expectancy of a cow is around 20 years. Some get up to 25 years. Cows don't need much sleep. Per day, they only sleep 30 minutes in deep sleep. Cows have strong sense of smell. They can perceive smells at a distance of up to 10 kilometers. Comparing to the hearing of humans, the hearing ability of cows is better in the deep and high frequency ranges. Cows drink daily up to 100 liters. Around 800 different species of cows are found in the world. The cow chews 40 to 50 times with its 32 teeth in a minute. The cow dung has antibacterial qualities. Brazil is the country with most species of cow. The cow is the national animal of Nepal. In a day, they need about 40 pounds of food. The dung is used for making dung cakes, which is used as fuel for cooking foods. In Hindu religion, cow is considered as sacred animal. People used to worship her as Cow Mata. Cow's skin is useful for making leather shoes and belts, and horns are used for making buttons. A cow gives 10 to 15 liters milk per day. Thank you for watching Animal Kingdom. Please subscribe the channel, like, comment and share.